morning everyone, it's time for a new vlog because today I'm gonna color my hair. I've been having dark hair now about a year because my hair totally broke from the blue. I decided to just go one step lighter and they told me that it may break, just so you know. I'm like, that's gonna be fine. My hair can take everything. It broke off and I was like, shit. So I decided after a while to just save it. Oh, look, now he's using his food machine. The cats are on a diet because they are a little bit overweight. So the vet told us to put them on a diet actually. We have done that before. They like food a little bit too much. Anyway, my hair broke off and I decided to just dye it dark brown and let it be for a while. And it's been like this for about maybe a year now. And I haven't really been feeling myself in the dark hair. Well, it's nice, but it's not fun. So today I'm gonna bleach my hair and I have no idea what color it's gonna be yet. Afterwards, I am going to the office. We are going to do some like pictures and stuff for a new product that are launching pretty soon. How excited are we about that? Time for breakfast. I always take my B12 vitamins in the morning. I have been having them for about maybe 3 weeks now. I don't know yet if I feel any difference, but it feels like I am a little bit more like alert on the days. This just happened. My trophy wife just died. It's a pretty mess though. I have been struggling with my makeup the whole morning and it ended up with a really thick eyeliner and 2 pair of eyelashes. Now I'm about to take the train into town. I'm so excited, it's crazy. I always take the wrong way when I'm going to the hairdresser, so I like go out the wrong exit from the metro. This way is so much longer. Är du taggad, Camilla?
Jättetaggad.
Hur länge har du väntat på det här?
En månad? Nej. Vi har pratat om det för 6 månader sedan.
Ja. Is it gonna be orange? Is it gonna be yellow? Is it gonna be pink? I don't know yet. We'll see. And it's really fun to actually be open, and I don't really care. Life is too short to have boring hair. Vad händer?
Vad händer? Det är massa olika färger här.
Är du nöjd?
Jag är supernöjd.
Jag också. Det är så fint. Vad gör vi nästa gång?
Det vet man aldrig.
Någonting annat.
Ja.
So I left like a totally different person and I am in love with this color. It's crazy how what you can do, and that you can go from that dark to this like light orange shade. It's amazing. Camilla is amazing. Now I'm gonna go to the office. I'm excited. I wonder what they say. Hope they like it. Hope Linus likes it. Hello? Welcome to our office. It's not really done yet, but it's very nice. And here's the studio. It's where I'm gonna be. My hair looks different in every single light, and I feel like I need to change my eyebrows. So apparently these guys are meditating. It was all dark and I saw a candle on the floor, so they are meditating, and the others are having a meeting. So I'm left by myself. I'm gonna have some lunch now because I haven't been eating since really early this morning, so I'm really hungry. I have to take you on a tour on the new office when it's done, because right now it's very messy everywhere, and yeah, you know how it is to move. It takes forever. So for lunch I'm having jackfruit and a cauliflower and broccoli puree, some kind of, and it's from a place called Mitas Mat, where you have this. It's really good because they have different numbers. So like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you should mix them together and just put them in the microwave. And it's fresh food with no like preservatives and stuff, so it's really good, and I really like it. And she's also one of my old friends, so I'm really happy to try her food finally. So I've been here for a little while, and we have been taking some pictures of my new hair, and now I'm gonna go home because I'm gonna go to my friend, and then we're gonna have some wine and play with her little cat. Hey!
Och så in under ängen.
Hey! Aww! We're gonna color Carol's hair and have some snacks and some wine.
Det är säkert att det, ja men det är ju nummer 13, så då finns det så här 19 olika. Jävlar vad man ska dricka vin.
Är det en samlargrej?
Säkert.
Oj, vin på en... Vad är det för dag då ens? Tisdag?
För att det här...
Ja, jag ska ta det först. Brunt. It's gonna be black.
Ja. Man har ju gått på yoga. Jag är bara randig fortfarande, eller?
Ja, va?
Ja, jag var rand där.
Ja, men lite liksom på sidan med polisongen. Good morning, guys. So unfortunately I didn't film that much yesterday because I kind of forgot. I haven't met my friend in such a long time, so we just talked for about 6 hours, and then time was like 1:30 in the night, so I had to go home. But we had such a nice night with sushi, snacks and wine, and we colored her hair, and it was just a really nice night. So I'm not going to continue this vlog by doing another day, because today I'm not going to do anything interesting. Basically, I'm gonna edit this vlog, have a meeting around 2, I think. How do you like my new hair, by the way? I love how it is with my closet back there. It's such a nice shade. I love like to have a really smoky eye with red hair, and it's like, it's so many things that I want to do now. It's like, I'm excited. Thank you for watching my vlog. I really hope you like my hair. This is the way to something else, probably. I don't know what I'm gonna do like after this, if I'm gonna go to a blonde shade or orange or something. I have absolutely no idea. So this is like the first stage of my transformation, and then we'll see. But I really love, I mean, look how even it is, and how she managed to actually do that with my hair that was almost black. I hope you like this vlog. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys.